How we doing?
Oh, hold on 1 second. I'm good, and you? I'm gonna call 911.
I'm right here.
No, I'm calling 911.
For what?
Because how you doing, honey?
Listen, you were trespassed from here?
No, I'm not a trespasser. No, hold on before you say that, because that's not true.
Well,
That's
it
not
is true. We have confirmed that you have been trespassed from here, whether you remember or not. So there's going to be two ways that this goes down. You will be placed under arrest, and you will go to DuPage County Jail.
On the 26th of January, 2025, in Naperville, Illinois, officers responded to a retail trespass call at a local store. Midway through her arrest, the subject accused officers of taking food from another country, a claim with no real connection to the trespass charge she was facing.
How we doing?
Oh, hold on 1 second. I'm good, and you? I'm gonna call 911.
I'm right here.
No, I'm calling 911.
For what?
Because how you doing, honey?
How are you?
I'm good, and you? Happy Sunday.
I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
No, I'm calling 911 because I don't want somebody might hurt me. Because I'm here shopping and I can buy all my stuff in cash, but I'm gonna call because I don't want. I want to make sure I'm safe because I don't know who you are. I don't know. I'm shopping.
Naperville 911, where is your emergency?
Good morning. Hi, I'm at Walmart, and there's a guy that's here that's supposedly so I don't know. He's saying he's a Naperville police officer, but I'm not sure, and I'm worried because I'm just a woman, and I bought my groceries in.
Okay, is this Yolanda?
This is her, but
does the officer have a uniform on and a vest that says police on it?
yeah, it does. But the thing is I'm not sure if he's an American citizen, though.
Yeah, I'm standing in front of her. You could tell her by name so she could hang up.
Okay, that's Officer Buckley. I'm going to disconnect with that.
Okay. But you know, let me call my. Hold on. Let me call my. No,
Listen,
let me call my.
we're not going to do this.
Well, no. I'm about to call my Facebook because, see, I'm not sure. It's two people came.
You can do whatever you like on that.
Okay, because I'm like two people came up to me before, and the thing is hold on. Let me do my Facebook thing, and I'm just going.
You can do whatever you like. Listen, you were trespassed from here?
No, I'm not a trespasser. No, hold on before you say that, because that's not true.
Well,
That's
it
not
is true. We have confirmed that you have been trespassed from here, whether you remember or not. So there's going to be two ways that this goes down. Walmart management trespassed you, okay? It is confirmed in our system and through their system that you've been trespassed.
The systems are down.
That's
Good morning,
okay.
everybody. Good morning. I want y'all to be on Facebook with us. This is Mr.
Yeah, this isn't going to go the easy way, Frank, and she's not cooperating. You might as well come this way.
I want to make sure y'all get on here and see this. I came up here to go shopping this morning. I got all my groceries. I bought.
Yeah, 10-4. You're going to have to come in here.
I bought all my stuff.
She refused last time, was issued a ticket. And then
No. I bought all my stuff. Like with my money.
10-4. Let's come in here and figure this out for now, and then we'll
I just want to make
try
sure
that route again.
On here. This is he says his name is Officer Buckley, but I'm just making sure that we get on here. I'm tired. It's Sunday. I want to go home. I don't want to mess and bother with y'all, but I just want to make sure that I logged in and told y'all. But I'm tired, so I'm just leaving it on here. I'm not gonna. I just want to. I log in with my Facebook.
That's fine.
I'm tired.
Okay. Well, listen.
I'm not a trespasser though.
Okay. Well, you've been issued a citation before.
I haven't been.
You're going to be issued another citation, and if you do not leave, you will be placed under arrest, and you will go to DuPage County Jail.
But I don't see. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
After you get two citations, then you go to DuPage County Jail. Okay.
Go to DuPage.
Is that what we're gonna? Which way do you want to go? Would you like another citation?
No. This is what I'm.
And to leave peacefully, or would you like to get a citation, not leave, and then go to DuPage County Jail?
What's the citation for, honey?
The citation for is for trespassing to Walmart, which you've already been issued one prior.
Do you know the Naperville Police Department?
Yes,
they're defunded. There's no money going there.
That's fine. It's still my job, and I need to take care of that. Okay.
The thing is if y'all not being paid to do the job, then you're not.
I am being paid to do the job, and that's what I'm here for. And right now, I'm helping and serving Walmart as
You have to verify that you're being paid to work for Naperville Police Department. You have to verify that you have a visa to live in the United States. You have to have.
Where are we going about this? This has nothing to do with the situation that we're dealing with right now.
Yes, it is. You have to have a birth certificate and you have to have a social security card. You can't just come at me as a United States citizen and say, "Hey, I'm a police. You got to get out of here." We don't.
No, you were told to get out of here several times prior. This isn't how it's going to go. How would you like this to go? Would you like this to go with a citation?
How you doing, Mr. Franken? I like your eyes. You're a nice looking guy.
Gotcha. You do
This is
have
the thing. No. This is my thing. I'm just letting my Facebook and everybody know.
All right. This is.
Wait. This is
You're going to stop.
Apply or you will be arrested.
No.
You're going to let it go.
You are.
Hey, no. See,
you will be arrested.
No. This is my stuff that I bought.
No.
We're gonna talk about this because this is my.
No, we're not.
You're going to talk about it in the jail.
This is my. No, hey.
You're going to talk about it in the jail.
No.
You are.
You are going to be going to jail.
Food. I bought. Can somebody help me?
Let's go.
Somebody from United States, please. Can y'all help me? Because this is not right. Hey, no, because our police departments are defunded.
You are going to jail.
The police departments are. Okay, I'm not going to yell. I know that probably hurt your ears.
You are going.
Hey, no.
This is not a request.
No. These are my groceries, and I'm going with them. Like,
all right.
Go ahead.
No. If you touching me, as
you are under arrest.
No, I'm not.
You are under arrest.
No, I'm not.
You're being told you are under arrest.
No, I'm not. These are no.
You are being told you are under arrest.
You're going to be charged with.
No, I'm
You are
not.
being told you are under arrest. You are being told. Stop. Drop this now.
I've got this one.
I know. I still got it.
I bought this with cash, and it's my money and my
You are under
stuff.
arrest. Stop
No,
resisting.
I'm not.
You are resisting.
Because
Stop.
The Naperville Police Department
You are resisting.
is
Stop.
defunded. These are not real police. No, you're not. I bought my own stuff.
All right. Be careful. Those aren't too tight.
I know. I will. I just don't want it.
Understood. No, I get it. And I have her.
Good here?
This is
We're
my
good
stuff
here.
that I bought with
I'll go ahead
my
and double lock
cash
them.
and my money.
I got her.
Okay.
This case turns on one central legal question. What proof does an officer need before enforcing a trespass order? Under Illinois law, criminal trespass to real property requires clear notice from the property owner or an authorized agent. That statute is Illinois Compiled Statutes, Chapter 720, Act 5, Section 21-3. Officer stated the trespass was confirmed through two separate systems, though one of those systems was also described as being down. That inconsistency matters because notice is an element the prosecution must prove beyond a reasonable doubt. A second statute applies once physical resistance begins. Illinois Compiled Statutes, Chapter 720, Act 5. Section 31-1. Resisting a peace officer does not require striking or fleeing. Tensing an arm or refusing to release an item can be enough. The use of force itself is measured under Graham v. Connor, a 1989 Supreme Court decision. That standard asks whether an officer's actions were objectively reasonable given the offense and the resistance shown. Here, the underlying offense was nonviolent and resistance was passive, which supports the lower level of force officers actually used. One more legal thread runs through this encounter: the right to record police performing public duties. Illinois' eavesdropping law was narrowed after the Seventh Circuit's ruling in ACLU versus Alvarez, decided in 2012. Open recording of an on-duty officer in public is now generally protected activity.
Hey, it don't listen. And whoever's at the Naperville Police Department, it doesn't matter. This is my stuff.
We will discuss that when we get to the jail, and I will speak with Walmart as well. You got that out?
Don't engage her. Just
out of Walmart. No, I don't. What are you doing? You guys are not authorized to do it, and you're not going to get away with it.
You're under arrest.
No, I'm not. You're not. First off, you can't arrest people for buying groceries. I bought all of my groceries, every single last one of them. I bought every single one of my groceries. Can somebody, listen, call my mom for me. Call somebody for me.
Your feet up.
Hey, that's all of my stuff. Y'all can't just sit there and do that to a lady. No.
this way.
You were given a chance. It's over.
This way.
Okay, those are all my groceries that I bought.
And we'll
in
get it,
cash.
and we will find out. And if those are, I'll give them. I'll take care of them
the
for you.
receipts right in my bag.
4 Adam status check.
You know what? The thing
Female-
is I'm
female
here
95.
to help. I'm actually one of the people who's here to help everybody from their countries. I know that people in their countries are not getting food, but they need to tell Putin that he needs to stop bombing places, and then people from other countries will get their food. We know that people need help. I'm one of them, and then you guys are taking the help away from here. I live across the street. I'm a United States citizen. I have a birth certificate. I have a social security card. I have everything I'm supposed to have. And I'm one of the people who's helping you
Go for it.
guys.
Go for it.
I'm helping people from other countries. I'm the person to help you guys. If y'all just keep letting everybody steal everything out the store, it's not going to be nothing for anybody. And let me tell you guys something. They defunded the police departments because they didn't want any more non-pigmented people with non-pigmented eyes working, because they know you guys have trouble seeing and hearing. So I apologize if I'm yelling in your ear, but you know what I'm saying? I know exactly what's going on. This is not right. And listen, they're going to charge our countries for all this money.
Have a seat, please.
Go ahead, look at it. I purchased all my stuff. All of my stuff.
Nobody's arguing that.
Grading the officer a B-. Verbal warnings were clear, but the notice claim was never demonstrated on camera. Grading the subject a D+. Verifying identity through 911 was reasonable. Refusing to comply afterward was not. The lesson for citizens is simple. Contest a disputed order through the system, not in the moment it is given. The lesson for officers is just as simple. State the evidentiary basis for a trespass claim clearly before force becomes necessary. Let us know if there is a legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more analysis of police-court interactions.